honestly can't believe this happened.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to
Things
get
happen.
by.
Life will go on.
It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves so.
Well, if you're active in my community tab, some of you may know that last week's video wasn't published because my external hard drive, it crashed. When I film videos, when I edit videos, when I upload videos, everything video pertaining, I hold it on an external hard drive because there's no way that my laptop can hold all that capacity. I film a lot of content. That's what I do, right? The other day I had completely finished editing last week's video. I was in the process of downloading it from Final Cut Pro onto my laptop so that I could upload it to YouTube. That was a Thursday night. Something wasn't right. Something was moving very slowly. It just wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. Shut down everything, turn off my computer with the external hard drive still plugged in, and that is where the tragedy happened. Oh, so annoying. As a result of probably user error, I didn't have the video for that week, nor do I have the videos that I had filmed intentionally and planned out for the next 3 weeks. And what makes matters worse, I do not have the videos that I have completed and the content that I have uploaded and saved for the last 9 months. Yeah. So here I am, twiddling my thumbs. Now I know things happen that are going to be out of your control. Yeah, to an extent in this situation. So I really can't ponder and harp and cry. I've shed a tear or two, maybe 3, on all of the video and the content and the memories that I filmed. Technically, I still have them on YouTube right now, unless YouTube goes away tomorrow, but it's just a sucky situation. And I have no choice but to learn from it and move on. Yes, I have taken it to a few different computer shops who weren't able to recover. Data recovery shops are completely different, and they want to charge anywhere from $700 to $1,000 and beyond. I do want to give a tremendous, huge, the biggest, think bigger than ginormous. Have that vision in mind, and that's what it is. Thank you to my friend and little sister, Jasmine, for just being that support. And as a comfort, she rented out this beautiful Airbnb the last couple of days, and we were really just able to regroup, recoup, rest, relax, rejuvenate. And as a result, we're ready, I think, to take on whatever is next on our summer mini caravan trip. So Jasmine, thank you, my friend, my little sister, for all that you do. I love you, girl. It is 10:30, checkout is at 11. Jasmine had left earlier this morning because she had meetings around checkout time, so I have to finish getting ready and get out of here on time. Let's do a quick minute house tour. Jasmine's room, big king size bed with a televisiones. Then her bathroom, pretty much identical to mine. Love the fact that anybody gives makeup towels. And they have another room here that has 2 twin beds. Then you walk this way, you have the front sitting area, which I did a work day in session there yesterday. Didn't start the fire. I don't know if you really can actually. What does that say? No fires. This fireplace is not operational. Oh, well, that's probably why I didn't start the fire. This window was everything. So much natural light, these 2 chairs, nice workstation. I like to strip the beds to help out the cleaners and the housekeepers. I have my own bathroom down here. The water and pressure was on point. Hello, this is me. This is where we held our movie nights. So you have a door here to lead up to the backyard, the twin bunk bedroom. All right, coming up from the stairs, you have the kitchen that leads to the backyard for the dogs. We did not cook. We ordered out every single day for pretty much breakfast and lunch or dinner. We ordered these from the store. That's how lazy we were. Didn't feel like getting out. We were so lazy pretty much the entire time, but yesterday, really lazy. Didn't even want to go to the grocery store.
Turn from my skin and bones. I'm remembering the words you told me.
So that's that. We are all set.
Hold on.
I'll make sure I didn't leave anything behind. Then we're gonna keep going. It's always great to have a huge garage area or parking or a lot of parking spaces when we rent these Airbnbs, as we don't like to park on the street when we rent our Airbnbs. So this had the perfect amount of parking space in the driveway. My van is an absolute mess right now. You guys know that the cinema and going to watch a movie is my therapy. So that's what we are about to do right now. It is now 11:30. The show starts at 11:40. And this is just like kind of the spur of the moment thing. But I've been seeing this preview for the longest. And I cannot wait to see this Elvis movie. This is about to be so good. Oh, Elvis. Good morning, guys. Today's a new day. Yesterday was a bit of a rough day for me. I was just not in it. I was not feeling myself, although the movie was absolutely wonderful. I couldn't get into the day. So I pretty much laid down and knew I needed to start a new day, which is today. I feel much better today. I got into the Word for those believers or non-believers. It helped me get that boost of energy, that encouragement that I needed. So now it's 9 o'clock. I'm going to go to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in so long. My body feels like it needs it. So that's what we're going to go do while we're still in the city. Go to Planet Fitness and work out. But first, I really miss Danette and I want to call her. So we're going to call Danette. Hello? Danette? Danette? You got something to say to the people?
Don't be putting me on camera. You see I'm trying to get ready.
You look cute. Say something to the people.
Hello out there in TV land.
Ooh.
Sorry, I ain't got time for you in TV land.
Oh! Oh!
No, I love my. Bring it back. Bring it back. I'm sorry. I just little kind of trying to get ready and stuff, but I love you. I miss you out there in TV land.
She's frazzled, y'all. She's frazzled out there in TV land.
Telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen.
All right, guys, so we have our workout is complete. So the plan was to drive 2.5 hours further south here in Utah. But I want to stay in the Salt Lake area for the 4th of July. I really feel like I want to go to a festival or a fair. And that was the reason why I wanted to stay in the Salt Lake area throughout the weekend. So I found this lovely park that I'm going to work out of for the next couple of days. It is not sleep approved, meaning I can't sleep here overnight, but it's okay because I like to have a different scenery and such when I work. So I'm just going to get a workstation together and work. Guys, it's hot. It's really hot right now. Oh, it feels good over here. It's really hot and all these birds. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh my gosh, why are they coming this way? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, ah! Ah! The birds were flying over me. Oh, whoa. Yeah, they're right there. Ah! How you doing? Such a beautiful day, but it's so hot. It's that time of day where it's just super hot in the van and you can't do anything but take a break and lay down for 2 hours and not move. That's the type of heat it is at this very moment. This is my home for the next three nights. I'm about an hour or two east of Salt Lake City, and I just felt like I needed this time to recoup, refresh. I feel like that's the theme in this video. It is so hot. It's hot in Salt Lake. It's hot pretty much everywhere that I am either going or have been or plan on going, and I'm using that as an excuse to get a hotel. But that is not the only reason why I've got this hotel. So we have an update on my external hard drive. Unfortunately, it is still not working, but I am able to access the folders and the files and the videos that are in it and transfer what files are able to be transferred over to a new hard drive. Now, what I mean by that is some files are damaged and they just won't transfer. And it takes ages for what I am able to transfer to actually transfer. So what I've done over the weekend is transferred what I could salvage, the 2 videos that I have yet to edit, over to a new hard drive. So that is part of this retreat right now. We are going to be editing for the next 3 days, and I'm going to be transferring over what I can of the 5 terabyte external hard drive over to a new hard drive so I can still have those memories. This was a good decision because as a diamond member with the Hilton brands, I got upgraded to a little suite. So I'm able to move around in my home for the next 3 nights comfortably. I have a little couch, and then I have a king size bed. This king size bed is gonna be so great for the next 3 nights. I have 2 TVs, so if I wanna watch TV in the living room, I can. If I wanna watch TV in the bed, I can. I have a refrigerator, coffee maker, and an actual bathtub, which I might utilize while I'm here. So as of right now, I have me some lunch. We are going to eat lunch, relax, then shower, then get to work. That's the plan. Now, 2 packages. Amazon is the truth when it comes to getting packages the next day. I really needed some items for me to work. Ordered this stuff yesterday when I arrived to the hotel, and thanks to Amazon, it's here. Oh, I have this sweet sweat for my girls. Just want a cute sweat waistband when they work out. I'll leave the link below. And another docking station for my work. All right, gotta get some more work done. I'm editing this video actually, to get it up to you by this Friday. Break from editing. I'm almost finished, but I really need some Sonic Ice, and because I'm a crackhead for it, that's what we're gonna go do. I'm also rocking this dress a lot in this video, and it's not like it's back to back. Well, actually, technically today it is 2 days fresh, but any other days it's not back to back, so just FYI. my baby right there. While I'm at it, I'm going to heat up my leftover ribs. That way, we can be a happy camper for lunch/dinner. Delicious. 101 degrees. That's what the temperature said. Wow. 101 degrees.
You ordered 4 row 44 cup of ice?
Yes.
Okay, so 180. Here you go.
Thank you.
I'll be in there deep. What about your heart? Does it beat too hard?
Guys, we have our ice, and I'm super excited because the hotel ice is just too big for my teeth. Yes, I have an iron deficiency problem. I am anemic. Yes, I do take iron supplements when I want to, for those who always suggest it. I love the Sonic Ice. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm okay with it.
Not once, don't stop, no. Cause I'm a brand new model. With a brand new model. Yeah, I called up Carlos. Said I won't be calling. Instead of my old tempo. It wouldn't make much sense, so yeah. Ask me how it
I put my steering wheel lock on when I'm away from the van for more than a couple hours, and since I'm staying overnight somewhere for a couple of days, this just gives me peace of mind to know that no one's potentially going to drive off with my own. Oh man, I felt like I did a whole activity today, but I didn't. It is 2 o'clock and we are taking a lunch break and then getting back to it. This hotel stay for the next 3 nights is very intentional. It's to really catch up on the videos that I missed out on and continue to plan out the videos for the rest of the summer. So when the whole crash happened, I had 3 videos planned out. The video that I had attempted to download and was going to upload, unfortunately none of those video clips are recoverable. So I just pretty much missed out on being able to salvage those. And it was actually a location specific video, so I'm not able to even reshoot it unless I go way back up to the Pacific Northwest. Ain't happening. But the 2 videos that I was able to salvage most of the clips on will be the next 2 videos that I publish to this channel. I'll begin editing those today, and hopefully I don't run into any problems. Thank y'all again for your patience and for even checking out this video. If it brought any kind of value to your life, whether it was educational or entertaining, then do me a favor and hit that like button. Until the next video, guys, let us cheers to normalizing the luxury to live free despite our fears.